Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by removing the mechanical emergency key from the Audi e-tron key fob. Press the small release button and pull the metal key out. With the metal key removed, you'll see a seam. Use a coin or a thin, flat screwdriver to twist gently at the notch to separate the two halves. Don't pry hard or slip. Inside, there's a round CR2032 battery seated in a clip. Note the positive side faces up before you remove it to avoid losing small parts. Use a fingernail or a plastic pry tool to lift the CR2032 cell out of its retaining clip. Metal tools can slip and damage the housing. Align the replacement CR2032 so the plus side faces up and press it into the clip until it clicks or sits flush. Check that the contact springs touch the battery edge and that nothing is misaligned. Don't handle the new cell with oily fingers. Oils can reduce contact reliability. If the fob has a rubber gasket, ensure it remains seated. Realign the two halves of the fob and press them firmly together until you hear the seam snap closed. Ensure no plastic or the gasket is pinched. Slide the mechanical emergency key back in until it locks. This secures the housing. Test all functions: lock, unlock, trunk release, and any NFC or passive entry features. If the fob does not respond, remove the battery and clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol. Try another CR2032. And if problems persist, contact an Audi dealer for a
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.